Welcome to the Inteleos Item Writer Training Session using the Surpass Remote Item Writing Portal. After completing this training, within a week, you should receive your welcome email, which will contain a link and login information for the Surpass Remote Item Writing Portal. We recommend that you bookmark this site because it may not be the easiest to remember. Your username is your first name and the initial of your last name, and you will use a temporary password to log in the first time. You may be prompted to change this password to something more unique. Once you sign in, you will arrive at the Surpass homepage where you will see an Item Authoring tab at the top of the screen. On the Item Authoring page, you may have multiple subject options. Click on the subject you wish to write for. On the left, choose the button that says Create New Item to begin writing a new item. Click Multiple Choice. Next, I'll walk you through the required sections for writing your items. However, the order in which you fill them out is up to you. Name. Keep the name of the item simple. It should reference the topic being tested and any identifiers to that item. For example, bladder tumor, fatty liver, or early pregnancy embryo. The name of the item is for internal use only. Section 1. Add your stem here in the provided box. Remember, all stems must be in the form of a question. Section 2. Provide 4 answer options, 1 in each box. To add one more answer option, click the plus sign. Select the key by clicking Correct to the right of the question. While it's not necessary, you can move the answers up and down by holding down the Move icon and dragging the option to the desired spot. To delete an answer option, click the X. You will not receive confirmation before the option is deleted. Section 3. If you are adding media to the stem, click Select Media. If you are adding new media, click the green Import button in the top right corner. Choose the media from your computer, then select the blue Add Media button in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you are adding existing media, choose from the options, then click Add Media. If you select more than one media, everything highlighted in yellow will be added to the item. To delete media, click the X in the bottom right corner of the media. If adding media to answer options, click on the answer option, then choose the down arrow in the right corner. Click the picture icon. Choose Select Media, then Import or select from the available options. Repeat these steps for all answer options. Section 5. To add a reference, click Citation on the bottom right. Add the reference here. You can preview the citation or click Save Citation. Tags. On the right side of the screen are 4 icons. Let's focus on the first one, which are tags. This is where you will add the content outline coding. Click on the tag icon, then choose the correct content outline and select the correct coding from the drop-down. If you'd like, you can preview your item or choose Save if you'd like to come back to this item to work on it at a later time. When you've completed your item, change the status of the item from Draft to Review, then choose Save. At this point, the item will be locked for further editing. This concludes Part 5, the final section of the Item Writer training. Thank you for taking the first step to becoming an item writer. We know your time is valuable, and we appreciate your dedication to our organization and to those who take our examinations.